I've been washing my underwears in the bath. I've been taking the underwears in the bath and washing them like that. I don't know how much of this I should take. It's probably gonna sting. I don't know, I feel like if I was doing medicine, I would take a little cap, bottoms up. That didn't sting. Maybe another one. Kill some bacteria up in there. This stuff is good to even clean. Right, like you could use this to disinfect your house.